7B's iconic 1991 Le Mans victory. This beast of a machine is powered by a unique four-rotor Wankel rotary engine, the 26B. Delivering around 700 horsepower, it's known for its high revving nature and that unforgettable ear-piercing sound. The compact design and high power-to-weight ratio made it a force to reckon with on the track. Now let's talk history. In 1991, the Mazda 787B became the first and only rotary engine car to win the prestigious 24 Hours of Le Mans. It wasn't just a win for Mazda, it was a win for Japan, marking the first time a Japanese car secured the overall victory in this legendary race. But there's more. The Mazda 787B's lightweight carbon composite monocoque chassis and meticulous aerodynamic design made it not just fast, but agile and enduring too. It's no wonder this car remains a celebrated icon in